We are so thankful to all our partners, the Philippine National Police Regional Office, the 805th Mobile Group, headed by Captain Faith Aseo. And of course, we have here earlier the head of the ABSE group, Colonel Marjon Valdehuesa. And Philippine Coast Guard was also represented here. The Penros and the Senros were here with us so that we would now be able to carry out the Memorandum of Understanding, which was forged between and among the PNP, the DILG, the Coast Guard, and the DNR initially, but later on we will expand that. And we are so thankful as well that the media is also represented here with you. And we need really environmental advocacy when we talk of these anti-illegal logging operations. We need to reactivate this because, as you see, our forest has to be rehabilitated. We only have actually 500,000 plus forest cover of the classified forest cover forest land of more than 1 million. Okay, so we need really to do something about this. We have apprehended many wood, lumber, logs in the past, and even wildlife trading. So we need to focus on this, and we need everyone's help so that we would be able to ensure that the protection of our natural resources would be carried out. So kailangan namin talaga ng tulong ng bawat mamamayan, ng bawat isa. Upang sa ganon, maproteksyonan natin lalo na yung ating mga protected areas. Maraming maraming salamat. At ito ay umpisa pa lamang dahil nagkaroon tayo ng action plan at marami tayong gagawin sa ground, lalo na at the level ng municipal or the even at the barangay level. And we have the support of our local leaders here from the provincial governor down the line. So maraming maraming salamat. Makakaasa na after 3 months, we will again see each other and have this group so that we will see the accomplishments of the task force.